The great thing about the smoked venison haunch is you can either have it hot or have it in sandwiches for the following few days. It's amazing for that. The hot smoked venison is an incredibly easy dish. First, I'll set the smoker to 280 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 137 degrees Celsius. This here is a 2 kilogram piece of venison haunch. I'm going to coat with olive oil, and then we're going to sprinkle over some SPG, that's salt, pepper and garlic. I'm going to place this in with some cherry briquettes for roughly about an hour to an hour and 15. This all varies on the internal temperature, which should be 55 to 60 degrees Celsius, roughly about 131 degrees Fahrenheit. And there we have it. The Bradley smoker gives you that consistency and the reliability that you need. It's an easy way of cooking. If you're a home cook or an experienced chef, I promise you're going to have a lot of fun with this one.